Okay guys, this is a 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor Edition. Rebuilt title, damage was right through here, all been fixed up. It's damaged with 2,000 miles on it. It's got 17,000 on it now, so 15,000 miles since the accident. When it's been driven out like that, you know, if it had problems, they'd already been fixed and gone through, so have way more confidence when it's been rebuilt, 15,000 miles ago. Fully loaded version, full leather, sunroof, pro trailer, obviously FX4, locking diff, wireless charging, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, 17,073 miles, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android, all your different options here, drive assist, so parking sensors, downhill assist, 360 camera. So this is all the lights that it has on it. It's got the B&O sound system. It's got power folding mirrors with blind spots in them. Memory seats, all-weather floor mats. Big old panoramic sunroof. There's your VIN number. Really nice running boards. Rear heated seats. It's got your step here, your onboard power here. It does have a slow release tailgate. Good tires. Again, rebuilt title, damage is right through here. All been fixed up, ready to go. Looks as if it should. All your manuals. There's a past alignment on it.